Hello everyone, my name is Justin. I am a My Brother's Keeper Peer Advocate with LA County Library. Today I will be teaching you how to make your very own do-it-yourself Viking boat out of craft wooden sticks and hot glue. You will need 8 sticks, hot glue, and construction paper, and 8 buttons. First, go ahead and make cuts on one side of each stick. Now with that piece of stick, go ahead and make V-mark markings on each side. Now on those markings, go ahead and cut them out with a pair of scissors. Now with that wood piece you just cut, line it up with a new piece of wood in the middle. Now once it's lined up, go ahead and make markings right on the edges. Now on those edges, go ahead and cut them out with the scissors. Now these lines are for decorative purposes, so go ahead and do so if you like. Now with that piece of stick, go ahead and apply glue onto the side of it. Now, go ahead and place it onto the other piece of stick, and this will be used as the main structure of your boat. Make sure to press firmly to make sure it is sealed. Now, what you had previously just done, do again. So grab a brand new stick and line it up with the middle and make markings, and on those markings, make cuts with scissors. Now go ahead and make decorative marks if you'd like to. And go ahead and apply glue onto the stick. And apply it to the other stick. Make sure to press firmly to make sure it is secured. Now go ahead and grab 2 new sticks and make markings like this. Make sure they are kind of slanted on the markings. Now on those markings, go ahead and grab your scissors and make the cuts. This is what you should have after. Now go ahead and apply glue onto the sticks. And apply it onto the end of your ship just as shown like this. Now go ahead and do the same thing to the other stick. Apply glue and apply it facing the other way onto the other side of the boat. This is what it should look like. Now, go ahead and grab another stick and line it up with the edge of your boat. This is where you'll be filling in the gaps. Go ahead and line it up and make marks right there on the edges of the stick to line it up. Now go ahead and make cuts. Now, go ahead and place glue on the stick and go ahead and place it onto the gap. And make sure to get it in there nice. And now you'll go ahead and do this for all sides and gaps. Also, while you're doing this, any excess glue that comes off, make sure to just smear it into the corners and gaps to make sure it is really sealed onto your boat. Now, this is what the frame of your boat should look like at this point. Now, go ahead and grab a brand new stick and line it up with the middle of your boat. Now go ahead and make a cut on the one side of the stick and line it up again. Now, on the other side of the stick, make this another cut. And this will be used for boats in your seat. Now go ahead and apply glue onto that side of the stick and the other side. Now go ahead and press firmly inside of the middle of the boat to make sure it is secure. Now go ahead and do the same exact thing with one more. Now go ahead and grab the buttons. These buttons will be used on the side of your boat. They will be used as shields and will give your boat a great look. And start to apply glue onto the side of the boat and then press firmly with the buttons to make sure they are secured. And do this on both sides. And this is what your boat should look like at this point. Now go ahead and grab construction paper and go ahead and make a 4x4 square. Now proceed to cut out that square with a pair of scissors. Now go ahead and decorate yours. I've already decorated mine, but you can go ahead and decorate yours however you'd like. Now on the back of it, go ahead and make markings. These will be cut out with scissors. Now go ahead and place a brand new stick through those markings. Now at the bottom of your stick, go ahead and cut it off to make it flat. Now go ahead and apply glue in between the two seats on the boat in the middle, and apply glue on the bottom of the wooden stick and press firmly. And make sure to press firmly because it can slip out, so make sure it is sealed on. Now go ahead and grab toothpicks and cut out the edges. This will make them flat so you'll be able to glue them onto the boat. Now go ahead and apply glue onto a small piece of wood. And make sure to press firmly. And this is what you should look like. Make sure when you are applying it on to press down very firmly to make sure it's secured onto the boat. Go ahead and do that for both of them. That's going to wrap up our craft for this video. I hope you enjoyed this do-it-yourself Viking boat craft tutorial. You can find more crafts to do at home like Family Fun Crafts by Deanna or Paper Crafts by Gina Holland. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye everyone and stay safe.